Good morning guys, and welcome back to the vlogs. So today I wanted to show you my weekend routine. This is a new routine for me because now we're in our apartment in Austin, and I wanted to do like a clean with me and give you a glimpse of what Rami and I do on the weekends. It's bright and early in the morning, and we're gonna start off our day cleaning the apartment and then possibly head out. I really want to go to Mount Bonnell today to look at the sunset and just experience a little bit of Austin because we haven't had a chance to do so. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Ready? Go get it. Good boy.
He likes to be under a shaded tree with some grass, with a stick he can chew on. He's got his ball, he's playing. He's just excited to be here, right, Humphrey? So happy. You're a happy pup. And then this is the skyline. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It's just so nice. Hi guys, so it is Sunday today, and Rami and I are at the park. We're hanging out. It is the most beautiful day today. It's not hot, it's not cold. It just feels so good. There's not a cloud in the sky. So Rami and I came with Humphrey to the park. We're letting him enjoy. He's totally in his element. He's sitting under a shaded tree on the grass with his little ball, chewing some sticks, running around, just people watching. I have some LaCroix with us, and yeah, we're just gonna spend our evening here and relax. Didn't really do much today other than work. I had a lot of work I needed to do in the morning, so we got that done, but we're just gonna have a relaxing evening. I think that's one thing that I'm really starting to enjoy about Austin is just like the outdoor activities, and the weather over here compared to Houston is really pleasant. Like, it's hot, but I don't get like sweaty and sticky like I would in Houston. Although if somebody moved from California, they would probably say, you know, Texas weather is super humid, but I quite enjoy it. And I hadn't been to Mount Bonnell in the longest time. So yesterday we went there. Again, it was such a beautiful day, and it was just perfection. I actually realized there's a way you can skip the stairs at the main entrance because the stairs are quite steep, and then if you go there on the weekend, it's guaranteed to be crowded. If you go to Mount Bonnell, the trail goes like all the way down, so if you pass the stairs, go all the way towards the end, probably where the last car is parked, you'll see, oh, Humphrey's running after a dog. Anyways, you'll see like a little trail behind a barrier. So if you go into that trail, you can skip the stairs, you can skip the crowds. There's very scenic viewpoints there as well, and it was just so much more peaceful because on the stairs it's like super crowded, and I think that you would really enjoy it. So if you're coming to Austin, definitely try that if you want to go to Mount Bonnell. Hey guys, okay, so it is just a few days later now, and I have a bunch of things I want to show you. I have my shop order that just came in. I got an Abercrombie order, and then I also have this really cool skincare package that I want to share with you guys. But first, I'm gonna do a little shop haul. So first things first, I got this necklace. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. I love it because I'm just wearing it with like a tank top that I just got from Abercrombie. This necklace is from Shopop. I did a whole video on what I got for spring, which is essentially my Shopop order, so you can go there and watch that if you like sit down videos. But I just wanted to share with you like my first thoughts on it because I'm just opening all this up. I just tried on this necklace and I freaking love it. This is so cool. And then I got my sweatshirt from Anina Bing. I love this, by the way. I love the little logo on it. You can wear this with jeans, bike shorts. I got this in the size large because I just wanted it to be long enough to cover my butt when I'm wearing biker shorts, and it does the trick. I really love this. So chic. And then you can also wear the necklace with this too. I think it could look really cool. And then I got these shoes. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these shoes. They're from a brand called Reikinan. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but opening this with you guys because I want to give you guys first impressions. Okay, OMG. I mean, look at this shoe. This is a stunning shoe. I love the pointy toe. I love that it's cream. It goes well with this outfit, and they're a smaller heel, so you know I love my smaller heels. I got these cargo pants from Anina Bing, and now I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to keep these. I might keep them. They're looking a little like they're gonna be a little baggy. I might return these. It just depends on how they fit. I need to try them on to see, but I think they could look really cool with this whole tank top with this situation and maybe this situation. Just trying to show you colors over here. And then I got another Anina Bing tank top, which is this one, which is very similar to the white one I'm wearing. This one feels like really silky. It's like a thicker material, and this is a cotton. I don't know. I mean, not thicker, like heavy for the summertime, but it just feels like it's got a weight to it, is what I'm trying to say. But then again, like this whole situation, I mean, I was trying to find my shoe. Oh my god. Love, love, love. I always love building like little capsule wardrobes that, you know, you can mix and match. Just makes me feel really good that I've made some solid choices from the Shopop sale, considering I haven't bought myself anything in a long time. I also got these Vans from the Shopop sale. Love them. Just a classic Van, you know. I've never owned Vans before, but from what I know, they're super comfortable, and I don't have a shoe like this, so I'm happy to get them. Again, I could do with my top and this. This is a cute outfit. This necklace essentially just goes with everything. And then one of them, I think I actually didn't have a chance to open it, is this Anina Bing t-shirt. I got the t-shirt in a large too because I love having larger shirts. I don't like them to be too fitted, especially like t-shirts and sweatshirts. I like them to be larger, but now I'm thinking, is this too large? Maybe I just need a smaller size. I'm not sure. But then again, this necklace goes with everything. I think this is so cool. I'm gonna have to try this on, guys, and I'll report back to you. But that is my Shopop order. And then I got some cute things from Abercrombie, and you guys know how much I love Abercrombie, right? Like, I've done way too many videos to tell you all about my love for Abercrombie. So I got these linen shorts in. I actually have another pair of linen shorts, but these are just like an elastic waist. The other ones are like a hook waist. So those ones are a little bit more formal looking than these ones. But again, I think it could look really cool with this tank top. And then this is a matching linen blazer. I feel like last time when I did a bunch of Abercrombie hauls, so many people asked me if I have tried the linen blazer from Abercrombie, and last year I missed my chance because I waited too long and then it was sold out, and then they didn't stock it obviously because they wanted to stock for fall and winter. But this year, ladies, I've gotten my hands on it. I don't know why these sleeves are rolled up. Why are they rolled up? I thought they were stitched like that. I'm happy they're not, because I would not be liking that. I definitely prefer them to not be rolled up, but it's cool because you can wear it with the jean look that I'm wearing right now, or I can do the shorts and a tank. I think it'd look really cool together. And then I got this bandeau top. Actually, I've been wanting to try some of like their bra tops because I've heard really good things about them, and I thought I could get this. Oh, love the color. First of all, it is stunning. I mean, is it showing? I feel like it's the camera is translating this beautiful color, and just imagine this top with like tan skin, this necklace, a linen suit, like shorts, and this blazer. I mean, come on. Oh, and these shoes. This looks so good. I'm like staring at myself in the screen, sorry. But yeah, see, oh my god, so good. I love my choices. Definitely made some good shopping choices. Don't you feel good like when you're like, yes, all of this stuff can seriously work? And that's what I do. I'm gonna do a shameless plug over here. That's what I do for all of my styling videos. I always create really cool capsule wardrobes for you guys so you can mix and match, and like when you buy them, you're like, yes, this can work so many ways. This was a great investment. Like, that's what I want to do for you guys always. And then I got this cute orange dress. I thought this would be so fun and summery. I mean, you could definitely make it a little edgy with this necklace. I feel like this is like the necklace for the summer. I'm gonna be wearing it all the time. But this is so cute. It's like a maxi dress. It has little oranges on it. It's so cute. I think you could really dress this up, make it a little fun, a little edgy, a little modern. And the material, oh, literally feels like butter on my skin. It is so lovely. Sorry if the lighting is going in and out. It's like stormy outside. There's a woman-owned Houston brand that just reached out to me, and they are called Grind Like a Doll, and they sent me a pair of these plum, beautiful color. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is like a tank top, a sports top, and then these matching leggings, and the material is so good, you guys. It's like thick, it feels like Lululemon. Then I got this amazing package. I have to share this with you because this is so cool. Ren and 4 other clean beauty skincare brands decided that they would combine their efforts and just raise awareness for Earth Day, and also to make the commitment to be sustainable. Hold on, it says planet-friendly packaging by the year 2025. So all of these brands together have combined and done this, and this is the first time I've ever seen this happen from a brand's point of view, because usually, you know, they're all competitors, but this time 5 brands have come together and allied for the greater good of the world rather than just business, and I think that is so cool. It says, in the fight to protect our planet, we are not competitors, we are allies. So Ren Skincare sent me this. However, they sent me some amazing products. Like, the way they're describing them on this little card is so freaking cool. So I'm gonna start off with the Ren toner because this definitely has a cult following. Oh, by the way, my washing machine's been going off, in case you're wondering what that is. It's literally in the kitchen, so it's loud. If you haven't heard of them, you need to get Ren everything, because I use their face wash, I use their eye cream, I've used this toner. This toner is legit magic. I don't know how to describe it to you. This is the AHA Glow Toner. Use it before you sleep, and in the morning you'll wake up and you'll be like, who am I? Like, I am literally glowing from the inside out. This is such a cool product. It works exactly how they claim, and it is magic. You have to try it if you haven't. This is one of their best products. And then they sent over a Youth to the People kale and green tea spinach superfood cleanser. I've been using Youth to the People moisturizer, and it is so good. It's like this light whipped airy moisturizer, but then it's also really nice because it's buildable, so if you have really oily skin or dry skin, you could just put more on as your skin needs, which is so freaking cool. I love it, so I'm really excited to try this. Then this is the Biossance Squalane Vitamin C and Rose Oil. This is the 2021 Beauty Inc. Award winner for 100 greatest products of all time, and in 2020 Marie Claire Awards said that this was the best facial oil. It says that just in 3 drops it brightens, firms, and hydrates. It's like, really, like, what is this product? Like, I really want to try this immediately. That sounds freaking cool. And then they sent over this Caudalie one. This is the Vena Perfect Radiance Serum. This one is also really cool because it says it's proven to be 62 times more effective than vitamin C at brightening and to reduce dark spots appearance after just one bottle. What? I'm like mind blown by these products, honestly. I'm like, where have these products been? Have I been under a rock? Like, I need to try these immediately. And then they sent over the herbivore cloud jelly, and this one says it's a hyaluronic acid alternative, leaves the skin feeling intensely hydrated, soft, and visibly plump. It includes vegan collagen to moisturize and nourish, while strawberry extract, rich in antioxidants, visibly brightens the skin. So very, very excited for this as well. Thank you so much, brand, for sending this to me. Thank you to all these brands for this collaboration. I think this is so freaking cool. It's never been done, so I thought I would share it with you guys. And in case you're wondering if you want to try out any of these products, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to do that. You know, Abercrombie, actually, I just want to let you know, so the Abercrombie clothing is gifted to me from Abercrombie, so thank you so much for that. They actually sent over some clothes for Rami too. He was so happy this morning when the package came in, but I couldn't record his reaction because he had to leave for work. But we're thinking about doing like a couple's try on. Let me know if you're into that, because I think that could be really cool, right? Because sometimes you just need some ideas on how to dress your man. I feel like Rami always comes to me for advice, like, oh, what should I wear? And I'm like, I guess I'll be your stylist too, you know? So I figured I should do that. So be on the lookout for an Abercrombie haul coming very soon. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you have any ideas for videos, what you want to see in my vlogs next. I'm happy to incorporate all of that for you because I am so grateful for all of your support. Thank you so much for all the interaction that you guys have on my channel. It truly means the world to me. If you like, subscribe, comment, that helps me out so much, and I'll be forever grateful for that. And I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Take care.